Welcome to Absolute Fashion, the ultimate destination for all things stylish and sophisticated. Here, we bring you a vibrant showcase of the latest and most stunning new styles, elegant and color fashion, eye-catching nail art, and the diverse array of dress styles designed to inspire and elevate your wardrobe. At Absolute Fashion, we are not just about tutorials, we focus on presenting you with a visual feast of trend-setting looks and creative designs, from sleek and glamorous hairstyles to chic and colorful Ankara outfits. Each video is crafted to help you explore the endless possibilities of personal style. Join us as we delve into the world of fashion with a fresh perspective, featuring unique dress styles that makes a statement and nail art that adds that perfect finishing touch. Whether you are looking for inspiration for your next event or simply want to indulge in a bit of fashion eye candy, Absolute Fashion has got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Embrace your style journey with us and let Absolute Fashion be your guide to all things fabulous.
Leave your comments below.